Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create Mailchimp API key, updated. Open Mailchimp and sign in with your main account, then click your profile icon at the top right. Next, choose Account, then Extras and select API keys. Click Create a Key, give it a recognizable label, and copy the new key to a secure vault. Avoid sharing keys publicly and rotate them if they may be exposed. Keep your API keys organized and safe by using clear, consistent labels and a reliable secret manager. Always store keys in an encrypted password manager or a secret service that integrates with your deployment pipeline. Limit access to only those who need it, and document which services use each key. When a team member leaves or a key is compromised, revoke or rotate the key immediately to protect your Mailchimp account and subscriber data. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's a great read for anyone building business or personal financial habits. It pairs nicely with thinking about paid tools and budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your Mailchimp API keys by keeping them out of client code and public repos. Always use server-side storage or environment variables. Apply least privilege by limiting key permissions where possible, and integrate logging to monitor API calls and detect anomalies. If you must share access with a contractor, create a scoped key and remove it when work finishes. Regular audits and quick revocation practices dramatically reduce risk from lost or leaked keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.